Now let's try to apply all these steps for a simple problem. So here is there an example. Find the resultant of three collinear forces, 250 Newton, 200 Newton towards right side and 300 Newtons towards the left side. So here if we observe on this block, force of 250 and 200 Newtons are applied and 300 Newton is there. So the forces which are acting towards positive x-axis should be considered positive. So this is a positive force and this is a positive force. And this is towards negative x-axis. So that is why it will be taken as minus force. And here in the problem, we are required to find out the resultant. So resultant would be summation of all the forces acting on a body. And that is equal to 250 plus 200 minus 300, and that is equal to 150 is the resultant of the forces. So resultant force here, instead of three forces, I can draw the same block and replace 150 Newton force towards right side. That would be the answer. Okay, and in case if I am interested to find out the equilibrium, then I need to redraw 150 Newton exactly opposite to the resultant, and whose magnitude must be same, but the sense should be opposite, and it should be also collinear with the resultant. So this is called as an equilibrium. So when it is added to a system, the system will be brought to rest. So here in the diagram, here we can add 150 Newton on this side. Then this will be regarded as an equilibrium.